southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Allentown, Pottstown, Emmaus, Birdsboro, Topton, Elverson, Valley, Bechtelsville, Lyons, New Morgan, Gilbertsville, and Shadowville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 305. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 57 and 62. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 6. Northeast extension between mile markers 49 and 54. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.